Is your iPhone actually real, or did you pay full price for a clever fake? In 60 seconds, let's run 4 quick checks to see if your iPhone is genuine. First, the serial number. On the phone, go to Settings, General, then About, and find the serial number. Now check that same serial on Apple's coverage website. It should show your model and warranty info. If the site says the number is invalid, reused, or doesn't match your model, that's a huge red flag. But serial numbers can be cloned, so don't stop there. Next, build quality. Real iPhones feel solid with clean seams, precise buttons, and no rattling parts. Look closely at the logo and text on the back. On a fake, printing can be off-center, fuzzy, or slightly wrong. Check the box and accessories. Apple packaging is minimal, consistent, and high quality, not loud colors or random extras. Now open the software. A real iPhone runs iOS only, with smooth animations and no Android-style menus. In Settings, tap General, then About again. The model name, storage, and iOS version should all make sense for your device. If your serial checks out, build feels premium, box looks legit, and iOS behaves normally, your iPhone is almost certainly real. If something feels off, pause and get it checked before you trust it with your data.